So we are having our second annual Cal Fire Expo, and it's been absolutely phenomenal. We have about 500 students. They're being exposed to fire engines, water hoses, ladders, automotive, communications, firefighter, science, and I just think it's a phenomenal event where truly our students are seeing the possibilities, exposure to careers, exposure to a mission and a purpose that I think is greater than ourselves.
We're here to really show the next generation, these high school kids, what a career in fire service could be. What does it look like? What are some of the things that we do? Not just on the fire engines, but some of the behind the scenes stuff too.
I'm happy to be here. It's really nice, really good experience, great learning factor, and I donned it off turnout here. I hit a door in like 2 hits. Thankfully, I was strong enough. I learned a lot of information about all these little stations and everything, and saw a bunch of cool stuff. A boat, pretty cool.
I've seen a lot of firefighter action. It's been pretty cool learning about all the different things. Like, I got to shoot the water hose, and it was pretty nice.
I actually did the project on the ladder, so by my experience, they did tell me it is 101 feet, and I think it's really cool seeing it out here in real life because it was just something, something I built, so it's something I want to see in person and hopefully get on it.
Well, today I've seen from a range of turnouts to actually being able to hold the hose or seeing how it works, seeing the mechanisms and all the systems behind the fire service. It's a wonderful thing being able to see that there are many intricate parts to it, and it doesn't make it seem impossible. These people are same like us, and they've done it.
So I am from the area, born in Rancho Mirage, and raised between Indio and Mexicali. What I would like my people from the desert to know is that there's opportunities within, not having to go out. We have College of the Desert offering multiple programs that I utilized when I was here and got me where I am today.
Well, we're happy to be out here from College of the Desert supporting our fire service partners in the RCOE to share information about careers in the fire service. Well, we hope they get the information that they need. I think it's a prime opportunity during their high school years. They're beginning to think about what's next. Are we going to go to college? Or are we going to take a gap year? Are we going to go into the trades? And we're hoping that for some of them, they're going to make a conscientious, well-informed choice to join the professional fire service. But we want to educate and train and hire locally here in the Coachella Valley.
I think it's a great opportunity for kids to explore different career options, especially those who don't want to go to college or do college while they're exploring those different career paths. I think it's great to find their passion in maybe something that's not as conventional as an office job or ones that are already set out for them.
Well, I'll tell you, I've been in the fire service for quite a while, and the benefits for me personally was when it filled my soul. It allowed me to really help the community. I was part of a team. Later on, I made decent wages, and it provided me security for my family.
I love dispatching because it lets me support the field in a way that I never thought I could, and still be a part of the fire family. And I love this department. I love all the different cities we dispatch for. I love meeting new people in it.
Yeah, I think it's really great seeing the kids out here. I didn't have this opportunity. It's really nice to be part of it now. If I would think 6 years back, I wouldn't have thought I was here where I'm at today at the position I am.
I plan on being a nurse, but if anything comes out not going my way, I would not be mad about going into this field.
This is exactly what we're talking about, and that's giving students exposure. It's allowing them to dream big dreams. We're planting seeds. And so when kids come out here and they're being mentored by the Cal Fire staff, they're being encouraged to look into the possibilities of getting into a field that offers great high-paying jobs, a pension, healthcare. I think those are wonderful ways of really incentivizing our students to dream big dreams, and that's what we want to do. We want our students to be not just academically successful, but successful in life, in their careers, and in their families.